A major warning has just came from Israel and the Arab nation. They are telling the US, don't attack Iran yet. You're watching Times XP, it's me, Dhriti Yatri, and according to multiple sources, officials believe that Iranian regime is still too strong. They say a full-scale strike by President Donald Trump wouldn't finish the job here. In fact, the stakes they are high. Iran is facing massive protests. Streets are filled with anger, fear, grief. Reports suggest that thousands of people have already died, with estimates ranging from 2,000 to over 12,000, depending on the source here. Most of these fatalities occurred when Iran's Revolutionary Guard and Basij forces fired on demonstrators. And after that, amid the chaos, Israeli and Arab officials fear that an early US strike could backfire, actually uniting the Iranian people instead of weakening the regime. So, what are the alternatives? Well, officials have proposed a step by step approach instead of rushing into the war. Give Iranian civilians access to communication channel to bypass the state sponsorship. Tighten economic sanctions to pressure the regime financially, or conduct cyber attacks to disrupt key military and government operations here. Carry out limited strikes against specific high level targets instead of a full scale invasion. Well, the goal is to weaken the regime gradually, making it more vulnerable before any major military action. In fact, Israel's warning is clear here: military intervention now. While Iran is still strong, could fail strategically. Officials emphasize that patience might be the key, allowing diplomacy, pressure, carefully calculated actions to push Iran towards negotiations without a single bullet fired. And in the meantime, US has all the options on the table. The White House confirms that Trump is listening to advisors, but ultimately the decision sits with him. Every measure, from sanctions to cyber operations to military strike, is being evaluated very carefully. In the meantime, Israeli, Arab, and the US officials are all closely watching Iran's tweet. The situation is changing fast, and a single misstep can really trigger catastrophic escalation across the Middle East. The question looming over the world is simple but very dangerous: strike now and risk disaster, or wait and hope Iran's internal crisis weaken the regime enough to succeed. Every eye is on Tehran, every heartbeat matters, and the next move can change the entire history.